Are you a local business owner struggling to generate results from your online advertising campaigns? Feeling frustrated with spending your budget into Google ads without seeing any return on investment? If so, you are not alone. Many businesses face the same challenges when it comes to online advertising. Hi guys, we are back again with another video, and this time it is on most asked question by any local small business owner. So the question is the best online advertising campaign for local business. There are many different online advertising platforms to choose from, such as Google Ads, Facebook and other channels. But if I say there is a dedicated local service ad campaign that brings results 100%, sounds great, right? Well, Google Guaranteed Ads is best suitable campaign for local business. Google Guaranteed Ads is a more cost-effective option for business that are looking to generate high-quality leads. That's because you are only paying for leads that you are actually interested in what you have to offer. So the question is, what are Google Guaranteed Ads? Google Guaranteed Ads are a type of local services ad that offers customer protection if they are not satisfied with the service they receive.
Businesses that participate in the Google Guaranteed program go through a rigorous screening process to ensure that they meet Google's high standards for quality and customer satisfaction. Google Guaranteed ads are shown at the top of Google search results for relevant keywords in your area. The ads are clearly marked with the Google Guaranteed badge, so potential customers know that the business has been vetted by Google. It works best for various factors. Number one, pay per lead model. Unlike traditional pay per click advertising, Google Guaranteed ads only charge you when a customer directly contacts you. This pay per lead model ensures that you are only paying for leads that have a genuine interest in your service, eliminating wasted ad spend. Number two, enhance credibility and trust. Google Guaranteed ads instill a sense of confidence and trust among potential customers. The Google Guaranteed badge displayed alongside your ad signals that Google has vetted your business and vouches for its quality of service. This assurance can significantly boost your credibility and encourage customers to choose your business over competitors. Number three, Google's backing and protection. Google Guaranteed ads provide a layer of protection for both you and your customers. In the unlikely event of a customer dispute, Google may reimburse them up to $2,000 for the initial service. This assurance further enhances your credibility and demonstrates your commitment to customer satisfaction. Number four, targeting local audience. Google Guaranteed ads allow you to target your ads to local customers who are actively searching for services like yours in your area. This hyper-local targeting ensures that your ads are reaching the most relevant audience and maximize your return on investment. Number five, lead qualification and response tools. Google Guaranteed ads provides tools to help you qualify leads and respond promptly to inquiries. This efficiently can lead to quicker conversations and improved customer satisfaction. Overall, Google Guaranteed ads offer unique and valuable proposition for local business, combining credibility, cost effectiveness, protection and targeting reach and lead optimization tools. By utilizing these effective advertising strategies, you can attract more qualified leads, convert them into loyal customers and ultimately grow your local business. We are saying this based on our experience with Google Guaranteed ads. We have set up accounts for a lot of our clients and you can see the results for them. So the next question is, which business can run Google Guaranteed ads? Google Guaranteed ads are available to business in variety of industries including home services such as plumbing, electrician, HVAC, locksmiths, etc. Secondly, professional services such as lawyers, accountants, financial advisors, etc. Third section is health and beauty, salons, spas, dentists, chiropractors, etc. And then other local services like auto repair, towing service, tree care, etc. To be eligible for Google granted ads, business must meet certain requirements such as having a valid business license, passing a background check, maintaining a good customer rating, being located in an area where Google granted ads is available. So I hope the information shared above was helpful. If you need more detailed information about Google granted ads, then we have posted a video already. Please watch that video. We can put the link of that video in the description box. Do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon.